dolls, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, you are very welcome. So today we'll be doing an updated brow tutorial. We'll be doing a fake hairs brow tutorial. So I'll be using this brush to brush off my eyebrows. And I'll be using this black opal eyebrow pen. Apologies that my video was not recording when I was shaping my eyebrows. So I was using this solid eyeliner from England, which was in color black, to draw the strokes of my eyebrows. So as you can see how I hold this brush and how I draw the strokes. They are not straight, but towards the end, the beginning of the eyebrows, that is where I use straight up strokes. So I was using a very light hand with my eyebrow. I didn't want them to be very dark as usual, just for the sake of this video. As I told you before, towards the beginning of the eyebrow, you go straight up with the strokes to make them look more natural. And towards the end of my eyebrow, that is where I shade completely.
표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖에 사람. 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 난 I don't give a
So this is my concealer brush. It's kind of old, but it does the things. So I'll be using this Pro concealer by Nele as usual. It's the best. You can get it at this camp. Yeah. So when concealing, you obviously know you have to be very careful. I always make my eyebrows sharper. Yo guys, sorry, I had visitors, so please don't mind me talking a lot in this video. So I had to talk to them, obviously. So normally I take a lot of time when I do my eyebrows. And if your eyebrows are not perfect, well, not perfect, but your eyebrows have to be very nice for your makeup to be really nice, even if the rest of your face is not really perfect. But if your eyebrows are perfect, trust me, your makeup is gonna look good.
네가 한숨을 쉬고 있는 모습 보면 절대 걱정하지 않아 너의 건강 이건 사랑 같은 시시한 게 아니야 우리 생긴다면 같이 하자 다야 나의 주변이 내게 넌 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너의 주변이 내게 난 항상 I don't give a I don't give a 너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖에 사람 내가 어때 같은 그런 질문하면 난 항상 너에게 I don't give a I don't give a I don't give a
So as you already know, I always take my concealer towards my eyes as my eyeshadow primer.
너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖에 사람 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 난 I don't give a 나도 내겐 미워 yeah. 뭘 해도 내겐 미워 yeah.
So as you already know, for my top part of my eyebrows, I use my foundation because it blends really well. And yes, it's really convenient for you to use the shade that is the same as your color on the top of your brow.
Your desire 내 심장은 paradise You're beautiful girl can't you see 다들 너를 질투해 걱정 마 girl can't you see 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해
And yes, always make sure that your eyebrows are twins. Yes, they cannot be the same, but they have to be twins. You guys, please forgive me. I was talking too much because, as I said, I had visitors.
너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람. 내가 어때 같은 그런 질문하면 난 항상 너에게 I don't give a I don't give a I don't give a Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah. 못나도 내겐
So to make my eyebrows look more natural, I always use this technique, shading at the beginning of my eyebrows to make them look more natural. As you all know, blending is the key. Blend, blend, blend.
너가 어떤 표정에도 절대 평가하지 않아. 거울 안에 너보다 거울 밖의 사람. 내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 난 I don't give a 나도 내겐 말해도 내겐
And that is the final look of my eyebrows. Thank you so much for watching, and for my new subbies, thank you very much, and thank you for everyone for tuning in. See you next time.